Hello friends, today in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to add age verification to Wix website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Wix site editor and now click on Menus and Pages and click on Add Page and select here Landing Page. So basically we are going to add a landing page to our website. So select any of the page and I'm going to selecting this one, Add Page. So here you can see the landing page has been added. Now you can click on Menus and Pages and select the landing page and click on More, Settings and click on Page Info and make this your home page. Click on Set. Okay, and now I'm editing this text and putting my own text here. Are you over 18? And I'm deleting all this part from here and add button and I'm selecting this button and I'm clicking on change text and icon and I'm changing the text to yes. What does it link to? Click here and select page. Which page? Click here and select home page. Done. And now I'm going to click on preview. So if someone visit my website, first of all they will jump into this landing page. Are you over 18? If they click on yes, and then my website will be visible. So this is how we can add age verification to Wix website. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.